Hi kids, Miss Debbie here at Fountaindale Library to show you how to make this really cute paper fox. So if you come to the library, you'll get a kit in a plastic bag like this that has written instructions in it, and you're going to get the body and the ears, the tail, the white circle and the orange circle for his head, the tip for his tail, two of the white parts of the eyeballs, the inside of his eyes, and his nose. So let's get started. Okay, so we have all the pieces that we just talked about in our kit, and then you're going to need your scissors and some markers and a glue stick. The marker is just to add a little touch here and there, whatever you want to do with those. So the first thing I'm going to have you do is cut out all your pieces, okay? So you're going to cut the body. You just cut on those two lines. And then I drew two sets of ears in here before I realized that it's double. So if you just cut out one of these, you'll be fine for the ears, and then the top of the tail, and then all these other pieces are ready for you. So then you end up with a body that looks like this, and your tail with your piece on top that fits there, and then your two ears and your two circles and all the other little circles for the eyes and the nose and stuff. So then what I want you to do is glue your two circles together, the white and the orange together. I'm going to do that real quick for us. Like that. And then this is kind of the tricky part. You need to fold your in, because this makes his white whiskers, doesn't it? So you're going to fold those in. Make your creases really hard. And do your best to get them equal. And then you're going to need a lot of glue on this part. Put glue here and put glue there, and put glue here and put it there. And stuff. That paper's kind of thick, and you might have to reinforce it as you go down the road. Okay, so then you're going to glue your nose and your eye pieces on. Like this. Put your eyes whichever way you want them to be. And then your ears on the back, like that. Make sure you have them going the same way. They kind of spread out over the things like that. So then you'll come up with your nose and your eyes and your ears, and then use your marker to add a little embellishments there on the bottoms like that, okay? And then you're going to want to glue this head onto the front corner of your body, and then you want to glue your white piece of tail onto your longer piece of tail, and you want to glue that on to the back piece of the body. And if you want to draw your little lines back here to make the back, that would be cute. And then he'll be all ready to stand up. So I hope you have fun putting this little guy together, and that he'll be a fun thing to have around the house during this fall time. See you next time.